Previously on Trio. Hey gang, welcome back. Last time on Trio, after kickstarting our stalled boat projects, we started to see just how beautiful the new gel coat was really gonna be.
It looks so good. Like, so good.
But living in limbo in a noisy hotel took its toll, and we all ended up with a stomach virus that kept us in bed and close to a bathroom for almost a week. Eventually we got better and moved to a new neighborhood and a new apartment. This time on Trio, we're back in the water and raring to get underway as the work on Saltaire 3.
I don't know what to say. It feels so awesome.
Yes, we're off the dock, off the hard. Woo! Let's go somewhere.
Finally comes to an end. Okay, Cole and I are working on the sail bag now. Next will be the mainsail. This is the battens for the sail bag. Okay, stand there for a sec and I'll start sliding this one through this side of the sail bag. You got him, Tiger? You holding?
Hey guys, lots is going on today. There's projects going on everywhere below us, inside, outside. New sails up, super bright out, so I'm like squinting like crazy. The boys are putting the sails back on. We're supposed to splash again today at 3 o'clock, but I don't know, because they're supposed to have that other boat, that monohull over there already out. So I'm thinking it's going to be tomorrow morning, which I'm down with anyway, because it takes the pressure off.
Yeah, I can wait too. Keep going, son.
Just gives us a little bit extra time, and we're fresh in the morning, and yeah, we can problem solve if there's something comes up.
So what's going on? They're downstairs cleaning the dinghy because there's a whole ton of overspray.
Yeah, there's overspray everywhere. So they're cleaning up the dinghy so we can put the chaps on. And then Neri, who made the chaps for us, is going to come and help us restring the bimini back on. And the boys are putting up the mainsail.
Carlos is working on Madeira.
Yeah, the woodwork inside. There was 2 baseboard strips in the hallways that he's putting back on. And then, which is going to look so nice because those things were just decrumbling. So anyway, this is good because we were thinking that we'd have to put the sail back on, we'd just do it in the water, but now we're getting a chance to do it up here. So hopefully when we get back in the water, all we got to do is just relax. That'd be nice. We've been staying in town at a little apartment, and this morning it didn't have any running water, so we may as well just be living on the hard, really. Anyhow, looks like they're getting ready to get that monohull in the water, so I better get back at it.
Working good, keep coming.
Done it a few times now, so we're getting better at it. But you know, sometimes you have to make sure you label stuff is the important thing. So, and then keep your extra pieces that come out in a little container that you haven't stashed away. Keep them in an obvious spot, like right on the kitchen counter. And that way, when you're going to put stuff back, you know where it is. There's nothing worse than putting a bag of bolts or something away in a safe place and not remembering where the safe place is.
So we're putting on the mainsail and we're getting up to the 3rd batten, we're number 2 now. But I wanted to show you how great our new sail looks. You can see how crisp and strong it looks. So you're tightening up the batten?
Yeah.
And there's pins in there to do what?
There's I found a little screw pin-like thing that comes in through the threads here so that this one can't turn out and pop out.
So it's a locking pin to lock the batten bolt in place. We're getting closer. All at the mainsail? A gust of wind came, we weren't paying attention and we lost the sail, so. Well, I was talking and to a guy and I shouldn't have been, and we're in trouble. I gotta go. We're up, she's all on. It's been great, the wind has stayed relatively calm. Sweet. That was relatively painless, hey Cole?
I thought so.
Yeah, super easy for you, wasn't it, Krista? After that boat goes in the water, we go in the water. So I got maybe 2 hours to go. Good job, son.
Excited.
Well, it's getting hot now. It's 1 o'clock. We're working in the heat of the day. So now we're going to drop the mainsail and talk to you later. Ready?
Yeah. Maybe we should do a time lapse.
they're lifting the boat. We're going up. We're going up. And then we're going in. Check it out, everybody. Time for Saltair 3 to go back in the water. There's so much going on today. So check out this interesting way of lifting the boat up. They have sandbags up here underneath what they consider the strong parts of the vessel. And they have a hydraulic wheel, hydraulic axles that keep the boat level as it goes down into the water. And Edgar, the man's got the master control. It's a little unnerving. I'm not sure I like it, but there's bigger boats here all around me. And over here, Neri is working on our new dinghy chaps. Wow, they look beautiful, Neri. They're gluing Velcro down underneath, right onto the boat. Glue the patch right on so that the Velcro will stick right to the boat. And then back here, Neri's riveted in eye straps. And Carlos is somewhere here with the paint. Oh, he's already painting the bottom. So the very bottom of the keels didn't get painted because they've been sitting on blocks for months. So now Carlos has got to put new bottom paint, nuevo pintura, on the very bottom. Let's go follow him to the other side. Do I seem excited? Because I am. Finally, we get our home back. Carlos, sonrisa.
Hola,
Hola, Carlos.
muchas gracias por la oportunidad.
Say hi to YouTube. Hola, YouTube.
Hola, YouTube.
Here's my lovely wife up there, just as excited as I am. And Cole. Are you doing another happy dance? So I told you guys that we bought Max props on eBay. They're feathering props. Let's see how they turn. It's reverse. So I've greased the heck out of them. Grease started coming out here, which is what they said would happen. But I'm just concerned they're stiff and I don't like it. So we're gonna try it out in the water and see what happens. Hey, Cole. Underneath the table is the grease gun and a little tiny Ziploc bag and a gray bottle of grease. I'm gonna just hit these one more time because I can.
So now we're all ready to get hauled out. Dad just finished putting some more grease in the props because he can. We're gonna hit the water.
The automatic bilge is working. This is really an anxious moment. I feel like I need a drink. Because once we're in the water, everything better work the way it's supposed to work. If not, I don't think we're coming back out.
It's so weird.
Feels like we're in rough seas.
No, it feels like we're in like super choppy seas.
Oh, I don't like this downhill part.
Yeah. Closer and closer.
Rudders are in. Props are in. Hulls in.
So we'll have to run around and check all of our through hulls and all the bathrooms and things. I'll let you two do that. I'll check the engines. Make sure that we're not bringing on water. Cole's going for a swim already. So you're gonna check starboard. Mom's gone down to port. Cole, I'm gonna check the engines. Grab the shoes off the engine.
Okay. We are trying out the new props right now. And it just feels like we're going so fast. I don't know what to say. It feels so awesome.
Yes, we're off the dock, off the hard. Woo! Go somewhere.
Bye. Even though we're going right back over there. But I mean, it feels,
Right now.
yeah, it feels good for where we're at right now. So Yeah, so fast. It's ridiculous. Or at least that's what it feels like. I just feel like a gunboat right now. I'm literally gripping this selfie stick so hard because I'm super excited. What do you think, Captain?
I'm still figuring it out, son.
We got the www.triotravels.ca sticker on the boom. Looks pretty good. Just feels so good. Earlier when we were over there, Dad floored it and I almost lost my balance because the props are so like just what he did just there. Look at that! You can wakeboard behind this thing now. Filming? Okay.
Alright, well, we're in the final stages before we cast off from Rio Dolce. And look at this sweet new windshield that Neri has made us. Find Neri at Facebook, Neri Rivera, R-I-V-E-R-A. And he does really good work. And that's his sidekick, Edgar. There's, I'm sure Cole and Krista showed you the chaps already. There's the chaps that he made for us the other day. Keep the UVs from destroying the dinghy. And then this we couldn't see out of anymore. Barely. And it was leaking like crazy. And now, no mas. Neri, say hola YouTube.
Hola, hola YouTube.
Okay, so I'm just outside at the marina, and there's all these little tiny bugs, but you can hear them. All their wings. There's so many. Guaranteed they're all dead in the morning. There's even more in the water, and all the fish are eating them. I mean, you obviously can't see that, but it's insane. Insane.
Hi, bud. Come on. Well, Cole and I are one step closer to having our job list done. So we're restringing the tramps. But there's the old rope and it's chafed right through. But it seems like it's been every 2 years that we've had to replace these things. Last time we replaced it was in Martinique. And we brought thinner rope this time. So as opposed to one like that in every second grommet, as you can see, we've decided to lace every single grommet. All right, so it's coming along. Cole and I have left the original rope in as we string the new tramp rope, and we pull it out as we go along, and we string a few lines and then we tighten it up. Grab on and cinch. Show everybody how tight you can get it.
From here.
Oh, it's not really working out for filming.
No.
GoPro, stop recording. Just a little bit of rope to cut off and some ends to burn with the torch. We'll have a new tramp. Not too soon either. There's a nasty squall. The winds have picked up. And it's nasty coming our way.
Today we're leaving. I can't believe it. It's been 6 months since we've been back to the, well, away from the boat. And then we spent the last 3.5 weeks here in Guatemala. First week was up in Antigua doing our Spanish immersion, which came in super handy. We were able to communicate a lot better with the locals and with the guys that have been working on our boat, helping us out. And so now we are ready to untie the lines, and we're gonna just go a little ways up the river to a place called Texan Bay. And we're just gonna hang out there tonight, sip a cocktail, enjoy the boat and all the hard work that we put in for the last, I don't know, 2 weeks, cleaning and scrubbing and jobs. And then it's on to Belize. So yeah, we're taking a big sigh of relief, and we're like excited but reluctant at the same time. But hey, right? It's supposed to be just like riding a bike. Cole's doing one last little run to the store to get us a couple Cokes so that when we arrive we can have a rum and Coke, celebrate, an anchor down drink as we call it. And yeah, we get to say goodbye to this place. It's kind of an interesting place, the Rio is. You know, it's crazy in town and loud and dirty and crazy and chaotic. And here you come to the marina and it's like paradise. You get a nice community of battery change. All right, let's blow this hot stack. One guy's in the water, he's getting that one untied, and I think I'm gonna have to put the GoPro down because I'm gonna have to catch some lines. And just like that, we're off the dock. See you later, Rio.
Finally.
Leaving the hood. Maybe we'll see you next season. Maybe we won't. Who knows? The future is unknown for the next 6 months, right?
That's so true.
Kind of unknown. Where should we go, guys?
Wow. We're off.
Oh, the wind is in my hair and it feels so good.
Yeah, like a real breeze this time.
Like Storm said, you just need to get some salt in your face.
Yep, we need some salt in our face.
Oh, it feels so good.
Right? Just to be on the move, it just feels so nice.
Yeah.
Ah. Now for a pretty trip up the river. Down the river, I guess it is. Yeah.
We're coming for you, Belize. Did you turn on autopilot, Mom?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, we're coming into Texan Bay.
The chart's reading that we're on top of land right now, and we clearly are not. All right, time to switch it up. My turn on the helm. There's some thefts reported that people have lost things off their deck or their dinghies have been stolen.